Sabi nila, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Kaya dapat, we don't skip it. When you eat your breakfast, you are literally breaking your overnight fasting. Kapag kasi natutulog tayo, gumagamit ng maraming energy ang katawan natin to repair our cells, muscles, tissues, and organs. Kaya naman, it's important na the next day, we do not skip breakfast so that we are energized. Pero kulang ka na ba sa time to cook your own breakfast? We can help you out. Para sa mga laging on the go, here are some breakfast smoothies to help you get through the day with energy. With these breakfast smoothies, there's no reason for you to skip the most important meal of the day. At masarap pa, kaya excited ka lagi to wake up early and start your day.